On this episode, I'll show you how to create these fun, eye-catching earrings, perfect for Valentine's Day. Condition and roll out a sheet of red polymer clay on the number 2 setting. Cut out heart shapes. Re-roll leftover clay and cut out more heart shapes. Using a hole cutter, cut holes as desired in each piece. Roll out another sheet of clay. Stamp sheet with Judicin's Brushed Swirls rubber stamp and white chalk ink. Allow ink to dry. Cut out more heart shapes and then cut holes. Using your finger, lightly rub mica powder over a few of the pieces. Bake all pieces for 30 minutes at 270 degrees. Cool completely. Drill additional holes in pieces as necessary. Brush all hearts with 2 coats of gloss varnish and assemble. For this and more projects, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.